Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to make very simple, easy and refreshing lemon mint mocktail. All the ingredients to make lemon mint mocktail will be mentioned at the end of video. So to make lemon mint syrup, we need one juicer or mixer jar, and let's start by adding mint leaves, 2 spoons of sugar, squeeze lemon, add some salt, and before mixing add water and start your grinding process. Once lemon mint syrup is ready, pour it into the glass and add some mint leaves to it. Add some pieces of lemon and pour soda in it. If you want to make it look classy, you can add a piece of lemon at the side of glass and enjoy it. Your refreshing lemon mint mocktail is ready. If you like my recipe, please do give a like, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.